Hi, I'm Denise Ransome. I'm the owner of the Peach Cheesecake Ranch and an avid home chef. I had an epiphany many years ago that I want to spend my time bringing people together through food. I put my project and event manager skills to work to build a business based on that premise. My happy place truly is in the kitchen. When we lost my mom to cancer in 2003, I found myself drawn more and more to my kitchen. That's where she manifests herself most with me. I have so many fond memories of her bebopping around in her kitchen, where she got great pleasure seeing her friends and family enjoying one of her well-cooked meals, appetizers, and oh yes, her famous peach cheesecake. When I decided to create a small retreat space in Corbett, Oregon, I just knew I would call it the Peach Cheesecake Ranch. Since 2017, I've had the pleasure of bringing teams together at the ranch to make sense of the clutter so they can focus their gifts and talents to capture, catalyze, and take action on the work that matters. When I'm not facilitating a session, I get to cook. Full circle, bringing people together through food. Also in 2017, I had the pleasure to travel to Tuscany with my cousins and meet my now dear friend and business partner, Chicca Maione of Cooking in Tuscany. I'm her co-host for Chicca's Cooking Club. We bring folks from all around the world on many Saturdays to learn authentic Italian recipes. She teaches live from her kitchen in Tuscany, while I co-host live from Oregon. Are you sensing the theme? Bringing people together through food? I'm hoping I'll see you via Zoom with Chicca's Cooking Club or live here at the Peach Cheesecake Ranch.